Everyone is using AI. Maybe we ask to write an email, summarize a document, and help with homework. And millions of us do this every single day. But what if I told you the exact same core technology, the same kind of neural network, the same kind of machine learning is right now at this very moment deciding where the missile to hit? Well, this is not a science fiction. This is an engineering. And today I'm going to break down exactly how the things are working. Let's start with something that we already understand. When you type a question into an AI chatbot, here's what happened at the engineering level. Your text gets converted into number. Those numbers pass through the layers of neural network. The network finds a pattern and it generates an output. Your responses, whatever you ask for. Now we have to replace our text with satellite image, drone video, and radar signal, and replace generates an answer with generate a target list. The math is same, the architecture is similar, but the output is fundamentally different. One is giving you a paragraph, the other one is giving you the targets, the coordinates. And like in military engineering, there is a concept called kill chain, the process from detecting someone to striking it. And AI has entered every single stage right now. Let me walk you through it. Well, to understand this, there are some layers that we have to understand. The first layer, layer one, is data collection. Satellite drones, radar, intercepted radio signal. Imagine like hundred of data stream powering in simultaneously, and no human team could process this. And AI watching all of it at once, so we can think it as a million's eye that never blink. It's like a secret detective. The layer 2 detection, computer vision algorithm, the same convolutional neural network that let your phone to recognize your face, scans every frame of every video feed and detect object, vehicle, equipment, people's infrastructure. The third layer is the classification. This is where it gets critical. The AI does not just detect an object, it classifies it. Is that a tank or a school bus? Is that a missile or a water tower? And it assigns a label and confidence score with that. The level 4 is decision support. The AI recommends which unit should strike, what weapon to use, and what angle to approach from, and estimate a collateral damage. The layer 5 is strike. In most current system, right now human approve, but in some autonomous system, no humans involved at all. It means AI is taking the decision. So the question that keeps military engineers up at night. So how does an AI tell the difference between friend and an enemy? Well, the answer is simple. It uses multiple identification layers and each one adds a confidence. The first one is the electronic handshake. Every friendly vehicle and aircraft carries a device called IFF transponder. It means identification friend or foe. It continuously broadcasts and encrypts a code that says I am on your side. If AI integrates and asks a target and got not a valid response, it means it is a potential enemy. Second, visual recording, because AI has been trained on millions of data. It understands which one is the friendly armor and which one is the hostile one. And the third one is the location tracking. The system constantly tracks where every friendly unit is positioned. For example, like a GPS tracker on every shoulder. And if a target appears where your own troops are supposed to be, the system raises a flag. The fourth one is the behavioral pattern, because there is a difference between military convoys movement to a civilian traffic. A vehicle driving erratically towards a checkpoint at night, this can trigger analysis as compared to the normal movement. And the fifth one is the single fingerprinting. Every radio and communication device has a unique electronic signature. AI listens and like recognize someone's voice without seeing their face. So all these five layers work together. But here is the critical part, or that makes it really interesting: the performance. And all of these AI systems comes down to a two metric you might know from the machine learning, that is precision and recall. For example, in precision, true positive, the AI correctly identifies an enemy target. Good. Missile success, you can launch it. False positive, AI is thinking that is an enemy, but in actually that is a school, a hospital, a civilian home. And this is the catastrophic error. This is how innocent people die. The third one is true negative. If the AI correctly identifies something not as a threat, a school is marked as a school. This is good, no human casualty. And the false negative, the AI misses the real enemy, and this slips, and this is also a danger to our own forces. So here the impossible engineering dilemma: if you make AI more aggressive, higher recall, it catches more real threat. but also flags more civilian as enemy. More false positive, more innocent casualty. If you make it more cautious, higher precision, fewer like civilian mistake, but more real threats slip through. You can make mistakes and shoulder like our shoulders are at great risks. So there is no perfect setting. Every AI system is a trade-off between these two numbers, and in war, both mistakes cost human life. Now, let me walk you through about the control because not all military AI works the same way. There are essentially three levels right now. The first one is the detective. AI is collecting the data, analyze, find the pattern and present and give to the human. Now, the human is responsible to make the decision. The level two is the co-pilot, where AI is actively operates equipment, flying the drones, tracking target, navigating the terrain. But a human supervise and have a control. If he see that this is a wrong and AI is making a mistake to hit a normal civilian, in that case he can stop it. The level three is the fully autonomous. The AI select the target, engage them without any human approval, and it can like hit a target without asking a human that whether should I strike or no. So the third layer that like no phone call to a commander, no supervisor, no human intervention. And at this moment, we have moved from level one to level three. All of this at this moment in 2026. The technology is accelerating faster than regulation can keep up. Now, the thing I'm not here to tell whether this is good or bad. I am here to show you the engineering reality. And the reality has two sides. What the technology gives us, what is the beneficial side, processing intelligent data in second instead of week, reduce the time on a human analysis and make like less error as compared to human. Precise and guided response that when they work collectively. This minimize the collateral damage compared to the older method. Fast response is there that protects shoulder life, but there are some risks also, compressing human decision making from hours into seconds, leaving almost no time for moral judgment. Over trust in AI recommendation that may also be outdated or incomplete data can cause human casualties. The false positive problem where a confident AI say enemy target, but in reality it is a school bus. So there are many things. And whom we can question, the engineer who built the algorithm, the commander who approved the strike, the company that sold the software. Well, there is no clear answer yet, and that should concern all of us. So, the question, how you protect yourself in a world where AI is making life and that decision. So, you educate yourself exactly like you are doing right now. The biggest threat in any era of technology has never been the technology itself. It has been the ignorance, people not understanding the tools that shape their world. The same AI that can identify a target can also detect a cancer on a human body through a medical scans. The same neural network can find a landmines in post-war zone era and can save human lives, can save the children's life. The same computer vision can monitor deforestation and protect our planet. So, my message to the world, technology is neutral. What we choose to do with it defines us. There are enormous of problems in this world, poverty, disease, climate change, conflict, and every single movement and every single one of them needs more power. People who understand science, technology, engineering, biology, mathematics. People like you who is watching this video right now. So here is my challenge to all of us. Don't just consume this knowledge. Teach someone else, start a conversation because the greatest weapon humanity has ever had is not artificial intelligence. It is a collective intelligence, all of us learning and building together. So, at last, if you understand this technology today, I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.